The original footage that I had for cabin 10280 actually got corrupt and I usually take a cabin tour before I get enter into the cabin, but this is Carnival Magic and I'm on the 10th deck, which is right next to the Lido deck. I'm only 3 doors down from the entrance into the Lido deck. So yeah, this cabin tour is going to be after I've already stayed in the cabin, and I'm just going to give you a quick tour because they are now, everyone has evacuated the cabins. Hey y'all, if you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. I'm Linnell. I sold everything and now I live on cruise ships full time. If this video is a blessing to you, I want to encourage you to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and then turn on notifications. Hit the bell for all notifications so that you never ever miss another video. And follow me on my journey from poverty to paradise. And they are now cleaning the cabins. So just so you have an idea of what an accessible cabin looks like on Carnival Magic, this is the cabin that I had. I can't remember back when I requested it if it was the only one. I know I didn't specifically request an accessible cabin, so I don't remember if this was the only one or if it was a guarantee. I can't recall. But yeah, this is what the cabin looks like. And we have the little baby TVs on Carnival Magic. We have your safe right here. And then there's a fridge here. I've already made sure I've taken out all my waters, but it's pretty cold. It kept my waters cold enough. You can, of course, ask for the little furry blanket. That annoyed me that it's crooked and I can't change it. OCD props, right? This side has the, actually both sides, has the power for the main light, power for the main light. And then you have your 2 nightstands. When I first got to this cabin, the beds were together and the nightstands were on each side. But as you can see, we have the fridge cabinet here and we have the regular desk there. So it was hardly any room to maneuver in. So for sure, I had to ask him to separate the beds, and they did it with no problem. And there are no extra outlets over here. So if you're bringing a wheelchair, a CPAP machine or something like that, the only outlet is for the lamps. So you have to unplug one of the lamps if you want to use the power cords over there. There are 2 regular outlets and 1 European outlet over on the desk. I did, as I now do, pretty much will do that always, is ask for a chair with a back to it. There are 4 drawers here, only 3 that you can really use because the other one is kind of like a half a drawer where the blow dryer is. So they do provide blow dryers for you. That light does come on, I just didn't have it on. So you have 2 mirrors, well really 4 mirrors in this whole cabin, but 2 mirrors in the main cabin. This one here, and for whatever reason they give you an extra mirror right here. Welcome on your 25th cruise, have fun. Your Stuart Patu. So I appreciated that comment when I first got here. There's also a mirror here. There's also a mirror here, floor to ceiling mirror, that you can use. And I'm not going to move that because, again, they're getting ready to clean the cabinets. But yeah, there's a total of 3 closets right there. Let's see what else we have. Because it's a handicap accessible unit, we have the extra hooks that are lower and also the peephole that is lower. You have the regular and you have the bottom one. And the bathroom, oh, here's the thermostat. And they do still leave the stool when I get a chair. I'm not going to apologize for the bathroom because, as I told you, I've already lived in it. So this is what it's looking like as I exit. Pretty standard. As you can see, we have the 4 shelves, lots of room on the bottom. This would normally have a hand towel. You have the face mirror where you can slide it up and down as you need it. And of course we have the handicap accessible shower. I don't use this chair, but if you need that in your bathroom, it is here. And if you have to bring your mobility device in the restroom with you, then there's plenty of room. There is also a clothesline, and it's hidden by the curtain, but There's also shower gel and shampoo, and your, let's see if I can get a little bit of light. Yep. And your emergency call button is here also in the shower. The shower head is adjustable and it does come off, and you can even turn this to adjust the flow. So yeah, pretty standard accessible cabin. I almost forgot to show you the hooks. That was unusual. I would normally see 2 at the top and 2 at the bottom, but they just decided to put 2 like that. And that is it. That is your cabin tour for cabin 10280 here on Carnival Magic. Thanks for watching. As always, if you have any comments or questions, leave them below and I'll reply as soon as I can. In the meantime, I'm getting ready to go head out to Miami and do a little shopping, and I'll make some more content for you. I'm gonna leave a link here to some other cabin tours that I've done in the past in case you're interested in seeing those. Check them out. Hope you have an amazing day, and I hope to see you on the next cruise.